What are the comments in Python? Comments in Python are the lines in the code that are ignored by the interpreter during the execution of the program. Comments can be used to explain Python code. Comments enhance the readability of the code and help the programmers to understand the code very carefully. Comments can be of single line as well as of multi-line. Now let's check how we can add the comment in the sample code. So let's open the PyCharm. So here we have sample.py file. This is a Python file, and we have a code written, which is a print function, which will print hello string. So first let's run this program. So from this button we can run. Here we can see the output hello is printed. Now let's try to add the comment in this file. So comments are started with the symbol hash, then space, then we can write a comment or the description of this code. So for now I will write single line comment. So this is a example of comment, and so whenever we run this code, the Python interpreter will ignore this line as this is a comment, and it will execute only the print statement, the print function. So let's run it again. Here we can see it has printed the hello and it has ignored the comment section. So comments are basically the lines which are used to describe the code. So we can write comment in the same statement by providing double space, then hash, and then the details about the comment. So here Python interpreter will ignore this line, this first line, then it will execute print statement and it will ignore the comment part. Let's execute this file again. Here we can see the hello output is printed and these comments are ignored. Now we can provide multi-line comments as well. So if I type one more comment, for example, second line comment. So here we have provided multi-line comments. I mean, first line is this, second line is this. So they will be treated as a two single line comments. Let me run this program again. And here we can see the output hello, and these two lines and this comment are ignored. If we want to provide, I mean, there is a one more way in which we can provide multi-line comments by using three double quotes. Whatever we will write here, those will be treated as the multi-line comments. So this is an example of multi-line comments. So let's run the program again. And here we can see only hello is printed. Rest all lines are ignored by the Python interpreter. So basically this is a string literal and it is not assigned to variable. Therefore it is ignored by the Python. And hence it can also be used as a multi-line comment. Another thing is comments are not only for providing the introduction or the details about the code, but there are chances that we need to comment the code itself. So for example, if I put hash here, so this print statement code is now commented. So if we run, then we can see no output is there. If we write another print statement, which is a code itself, so now above this statement, so all these statements are comments. So we execute this file again. Now here we can see the world is printed. That means this code is this code gets executed, and the rest all the lines are ignored because these are the comments. Now suppose if we want to do something later on, or we need to write the code later on, then we can also add that in the comment like this. So this is a to do comment which states that code to display high needs to be added later on. So whenever we get time, maybe today, tomorrow, or day after tomorrow. So by viewing this sample.py file, we came to know like uh, the code for printing high is pending. So we can uh, add the code later on. All the to-dos of the project can be seen here if we click on this more tool windows option and then click on to do. So here it displays the project name, then under that the Python file name, and in that the to do code, basically to do comment. So here it displays the few lines of that file where to do is written, and this to do comment is highlighted here. So this is about of this file. So from here we can see all the to dos of a project, and we can uh, remove the comment and do the coding which is required or written in under the to do section.